During the previous week, rupee maintained its firm bias against the dollar and traded in a narrow range between 72.50 to 72.60, the high and low for the week being 72.39 and 72.7550 respectively. While forecasting the rupee's trend over the medium term, one should recognize the impact on the domestic currency arising out of COVID surge in India and other parts of the globe. It is our firm view the rupee is not expected to appreciate beyond the 72.50 level due to sustained rise in US yields, elevated global oil prices, and rise in dollar supported by economic recovery in US. The growth in exports in February declined to 0.67% against 6.16% growth in January. Imports grew 6.96%. The trade deficit narrowed down to USD 12.62 billion in February from USD 14.54 billion in January. Gold imports surged to a 7% rise in overall imports, which widened the trade gap to USD 12.62 billion in February 2021 from USD 10.16 billion in the year-ago period. The narrowing trade deficit is at best neutral for the rupee. The absence of PSU banks in the market in the first 2 days of the week has reduced the dollar demand in the market, which helped the rupee to trade higher on Monday and Tuesday this week. On Tuesday, the rupee registered a high of 72.39 but could not rise further as the local stocks have traded much lower. We have observed in the last 6 months period, rupee's appreciation was gradual as the central bank mopped up surplus dollars from the market to increase its forex reserves and to smoothen the rupee's rise against the dollar. Conversely, the rupee's intermittent weakness on a few occasions in the corresponding period was sharp and more pronounced on the downside due to any sudden developments in the overseas markets, namely rise in US yields, climb in global oil prices, and dollar gaining against the majors. However, the rupee's weakness always remained unsustainable in the referred period. The rupee's firm trend from the beginning of September 2020 has created hedge ineffectiveness for many of the importers who have fully hedged their forex liabilities. On the other side, some of the exporters waited to see for depreciation in the rupee exchange rate, which never materialized, and hence lost the potential opportunity of benefiting from the higher forward dollar premium levels to achieve enhanced export realization. Though the currency volatility in the interim period was on the lower side, the overall hedging approach followed by the importers and exporters needs to be relooked to achieve effective exposure management after recognizing the medium-term risk on the domestic currency which may arise due to sharp rise in US yields and portfolio outflows from equity and debt segments. Out of the forward dollar purchase position of RBI, estimated at over USD 50 billion, some of the forward contracts with banks are maturing in end March 2021. To extend the maturing forward contracts for further maturities, RBI has to undertake sell and buy swaps in the market, which could lift the forwards higher from the prevailing levels across the maturities. As a result, the forward dollar premium for any specific maturity within the 6-month tenor will stay misaligned with the interest rate differential between the USD and INR for the similar maturity. Till such time, the forward dollar purchase position of RBI exists with banks, the forwards would continue to rule firm. The forwards are already showing signs of a gradual uptick in various maturities up to 6 months period. Recognizing the prevailing scenario in the spot and forward markets, the importers and exporters have to hedge their positions appropriately to enhance the efficiency in exposure management process. The forward dollar premium for end March 2022 maturity is 374 paisa /US dollar, and the forward exchange rate shall be 76.20. Full stop. We feel the forward rupee for delivery end March 2022 overstates the expected level of rupee depreciation over the corresponding period. From the beginning of January 2021 till date, all the Asian currencies have depreciated with the exception of Indian rupee and Chinese yuan. Rupee is the best performing currency in the Asian region to register an appreciation of 0.60% against the dollar. The huge portfolio, foreign direct investment, PE and other capital inflows supported the rupee to appreciate. Going forward, there is potential for the rupee to depreciate above 73.30 level before the middle of April 2021 due to surge in COVID cases and possible equity and debt outflows from the market, and to compensate for the overvaluation in REER. We feel the rupee's appreciation in the current financial year till date may not repeat in the forthcoming financial year, and based on fundamentals, the rupee has to depreciate to represent the inflation differential between India and US, which is currently at about 3% per annum.